If you found your way to this video, you're probably interested in Prostan Plus, but still have some doubts about whether it really works, if it's reliable, or if it's worth it. Stay with me until the end because I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this amazing product. Prostan Plus is the ideal choice for men who want to take care of their prostate health and improve their overall quality of life. This supplement is specifically designed to promote urinary system wellness, vitality, and even sexual function, especially if you've already started noticing the first signs of discomfort in that area. Let me share my experience with you. When I started using Prostan Plus, I noticed a huge difference from the very first few days. The uncomfortable feeling when urinating decreased significantly, and the number of times I had to go to the bathroom, especially at night, was also reduced. It was such a relief. And it didn't just happen to me. Many other users report similar results in just a few days. Now, what really makes Prostan Plus so effective is its formula. It's made with natural, clinically proven ingredients. One of the key highlights is US Plus, a high-quality Saw Palmetto extract produced in the United States using advanced technology. This ingredient helps reduce DHT levels, a hormone responsible for prostate growth and even hair loss. It's like a solution in a capsule. In addition to Saw Palmetto, Prostan Plus also contains ingredients like African cherry bark and pumpkin seeds, which help relieve bladder pressure and reduce the need to urinate as frequently. These compounds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which are crucial for prostate health and help ease daily discomfort. Another distinguishing feature is the presence of bioperine, a black pepper compound that improves nutrient absorption, ensuring you get the most out of every capsule. It's important to remember that proper usage of Prostan Plus makes all the difference. It's not a miracle product. You need to use it consistently to see results. I even recommended it to a friend who didn't use it as instructed and of course didn't see the same results I did. So use it correctly and be patient because the results are worth it. Now, a very important warning. There are many counterfeits on the market. Seriously, to make sure you're getting the real product with all the benefits I mentioned here, it's crucial that you buy it only from the official website. I've left the link in the description and the first pinned comment to make it easy for you. This way, you'll be sure you're getting the authentic Prostan Plus straight from the manufacturer. If you're still unsure, check out the official website. There, you'll find plenty of testimonials from people who also used the product and saw amazing results. It's always nice to see other success stories, right? So if you want to regain comfort and confidence in your daily life, click the official link, secure your Prostan Plus, and start enjoying the benefits. And if this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable tips like this. See you in the next video.